So today what we have to do is we're going to be heading to San Jose. We're going to go visit a Bay Area car meet coming from LA to San Jose. So we're going to see how it goes. And just come join me on my trip. So we're taking the Mustang GT.
One hour later.
B58 Max.
It's hot, bro.
Dog Max. Dog Max.
You're actually vlogging, man? You're actually gonna start vlogging? That shit would rape you, bro. Anything.
And you. Sad fading.
That's the one that Tito was talking about. That's a V2, bro? I think that's V2
That shit dead, nigga.
BMW.
Oh, lights on? Keep the lights on?
Yeah, you're gonna kill your battery.
That's him, right?
No, it's not.
Oh, that's Kevin? That's not Kevin?
No.
Oh, no, he doesn't have weed here. That's like Kevin.
Look behind you. The yellow DRL. I don't think I've ever seen gold hit fucking M3 wheels.
Ooh, look at the skyline.
That's not a skyline, bro. That's a fucking.
pull out. I'm telling you. Yeah, it's on the front. No one gets your. Oh, that shit chopping. That shit chopping. That shit chopping. I think it's quick for sure.
No, run it. Come on.
Fuck that. Fuck this shit.
Oh, what is it?
Supra.
Soup?
Didn't give us that two-step though?
You think he has it?
It's fire right now. He goes, chopping, bro.
That's just nice, man. Nice, tell me this something nice. Tell me this something nice. That's nice,
Hey, Lonnie?
That's a fight. Look at the fucking bite.
Him, look. Him, look. Him. Look at tire.
Oh yeah.
I told her, he's like, look.
Oh my.
How do you know he's on just to the tire?
I can tell, I can smell it, bro.
Those are big. They smell it. Super? Puppies, yeah. His license.
Oh, that's not Oh, no, it's not.
It's not, bro. It's not mine.
S197?
Are you hard, bro?
S197? I want the Highland. Oh, that's the highest model.
Look at it. He's on welds. He's on welds. You got that E on you, huh? You're on E right now, huh? Are you on E? How much you pushing?
Hi, bro. Stuck in the line. Like, hey, how much?
Did you hear how much you pushed me?
I drew you. I'm gonna put that on.
Hey, Tino? DJ Tino?
Hey, Joe, you're dead? What happened over there?
I'm locking the room with him.
Bro? What the fuck? Oh, no, really?
You said you asked, nigga.
For where?
I don't know, nigga. She's big.
You just said that?
Yeah.
Super? Oh, my best fans. Supers are nice, dude.
Look at that shit, bro.
I got that shit on
Me too, me too. I got it on video.
Oh my god, that picture.
HP's gonna be hot now.
Oh, that's clean.
Acabó, guys.
That's a fucking that's a B48. 4.0.
Calm down, Eduardo.
Oh shit! Look. This is nice. Oh,
Is that David? 370, right? That's David.
oh, it's not? Hey, that nigga's great, bro. How the fuck you get that
He
confused?
changed the colors all the time, bro.
I should do that to my car.
But the me rather me. We just hear some crazy gunshots. It's going crazy, bro. We'll see what that's up about right now. Oh, it's a Honda, bro. What's it? Is it not?
It was a black one.
That was loud.
Yeah, bro. Are you gonna keep yours fucking red or your lights in the back?
No, I'm gonna get him wing. He's allowed to do this.
Yeah. What that is? That's a diesel.
It's the 235D.
That's a diesel. No shit, nigga, that's what I just said.
It was a diesel. What's that? 2015, what's it about? So you could be. Oh, what the? Oh shit, the ram truck, the ram truck. What the fuck? His bumper's out. His bumper's gone. Oh really? Oh look at that beam, too.
Max?
dumb. Oh, you should got shut down right away. Not right away. It was actually a cool amount of time. Crazy. Just be safe, bro. Choose us out. Choose us out.
Which way you go?
What exit did you take? They closed the mall, huh? They closed the mall. What? No, we're not. We're on my parking spot. She just says leave.
Huh?
She just said leave.
Why?
He said it's the one park next to the M4. That's the closest park to leave.
Right there?
She's just gone.
Everyone was leaving that nigga.
Huh?
It's close yet. Everyone was leaving there.
Yeah, but it's all blocked all the roads.
She just said meet him at the gas station. Nigga, we're not out.
We're not out, so we're stuck in here.
We're stuck. We're stuck. There's too many cars.
Nigga, I saw a couple fall with the bus.
Right here!
Nigga, yeah, right here. Fucking, they said that they're seeing people fall with the buzz bar and shit.
I wish I recorded that shit, nigga.
I don't know. Alright then, we'll let you know.
Fuck, nigga, I should brought my fake plate.
Alright.
I should brought my fake plate.
Don't let him go home running, nigga.
Fucking once a year, fucking
We're out.
smoke eaters. Fucking nigga.
Yes. It got shut down.
Not everyone.
Everyone's pretty much gone though. That's a good thing. How's the meat?
It's alright, nigga. Fuck.
It's alright.
Until you got popped up.
Let's see what we're gonna do right now. But yeah, we just got back, parked the 5-0, beautiful 5-0.
Snowmobile.
Goes here too. Hey, you take a parking?
I think that's Maria.
You take a parking?
Yeah.
But yeah, that's gonna be the video for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you really like this content, make sure to drop a like, and if you can, hit the subscribe button. I don't know what Blood's doing to my car.